Hi, I'm Cort with Total Prepare. Today we're going to talk about shelf lives. Here we've got the two different styles of MREs that we carry currently. Shelf lives for these can be determined from their lot code. You can find the lot code printed both on the cases themselves and on the individual meals. Where you'd find those on each given meal is usually printed right on the exterior bag. For the cases themselves, typically it's going to be somewhere along the front of any given case. The lot code you're looking for is going to be a 4 or 5 digit number, the last 3 of which are the ordinal date of the year, and the first 1 or 2 digits will be the last numbers of the year itself. So if you've got one that's 19, that's a 2019 manufacture. All of our current ones obviously start with a 22, it's 2022. The ordinal date is just the day of the year represented in a numerical fashion. There's a handy guide on the top of a lot of our MRE cases that kind of walk you through it, but for example, we'll take July 1st, Canada Day. It's the 182nd day of the year, so this year it would have been 22182. If you're concerned about any of the pieces within your MRE having gone off, there's a few things you can look for. Number 1, check for any punctures or tears in the packaging themselves. If this is the case in any of your meals, that's definitely a good sign that you need to get rid of it. Number 2, look for any swelling or just rock hard food in those pouches. Again, that's a bad sign. You should not keep or donate that. If you are going to donate the stuff and you haven't had a chance to go over it with a fine-tooth comb, that's okay. Most food banks do have quality control for incoming donations. For the SOS food and water pouches that we have in a lot of our kits, you're going to find the expiry on individual packages, usually on the back near the bottom. Food bar is a little tiny one here, and the water pouch has its on the bottom lower section here. If you have full cases of their stuff, water pouches will usually be on the side, and for a lot of the food bars lately, they've been putting a sticker on the top. The best ways to handle expiring emergency food are 1, eat it, or 2, donate it to a local food bank. If you're going to go the donation route, we recommend you leave at least 2 to 4 months of shelf life on the product, as that it gives them time to distribute it and get it where it needs to go. If you have any questions at all about that process or would like assistance in arranging those kind of donations, let us know. hello@totalprepare.ca is probably the best way to reach us, and we'll be happy to help. As always, I've been Cort with Total Prepare, reminding you to be prepared, not scared.